Hi, this is MOUSUMI'S and you're watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So today's video is something different. In this video, I have tried something new. I am going to show you that how I have made two masks of king and queen. As you can see that this is the male one, this is the king, and this is the female one, and this is the queen. I have tried to give those an antique kind of look and I am totally satisfied with that. Hope you all will enjoy it, and if you want to know that how I have done this, do check my video and don't skip. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. So this is all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.